In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use custom domain verification in Lemlist. So first, of course, log into your Lemlist dashboard. Then in the left panel, click on your profile. Then go to settings. Then next under team settings, click on your team. And here, beside custom tracking domain of your team, click on the setup button. So here you will be prompted to enter your own domain name. And next, you might also be prompted to update DNS with these fields. And once done, proceed to set up custom tracking domain. Once done, you might need to go to your domain host and paste those same records into your DNS settings. And once everything looks good, you can go back to Lemlist and click on the verify button if it's already available, confirming that everything is set up correctly. And once verified, your emails will then be sent using your custom domain, improving deliverability and brand credibility. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!